Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. The complete pallu is in black shade here with block printed design, two different designs with the block prints, and we also have zari lines. And same black blouse piece. The saree is also in black base with closely printed design, mangoes done using half white color. Inside the mangoes you can see a beautiful flower also. And here the zari border is done in antique finish, which is very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a pink pallu with beautiful zari lines and same pink blouse piece, both sides zari borders. And here we have a very elegant light brown color base saree with big owl printing done in pink color. Very elegant one with green prints as well, floral pattern. The borders are in pink base. Different rare collection, a trendy collection too with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, half white color pallu with block printing in grey and red, bright chilli red color blouse piece. Very contrast one to the body. The body have beautiful work. Middle part is completely in orange paste with half white color prints, and the next part is red, and completely the border design is printed using half white base and grey and red here. Very elegant one. Even the zari borders are on half white base itself. Elegant and classy looking saree. Very exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown shade, very different brown shade, pallu with zari lines. Same color blouse piece, fully plain blouse piece with zari borders here. Here we have a very different saree for the unique lovers. Here we have a very beautiful, very colorful brush painted design saree on base white. We have multiple colors and we also have printing design on it done using black. Very closely printed, very different design, randomly done with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. We have a very beautiful dark kumkum pink color, and we have very excellent pallu, same color pallu, zari lines and plain blouse piece. Complete saree is in single color, running color concept saree with rings pattern printed all over the saree. Half white used for the printing, and the different design leaf pattern is printed in the lower half color, darker green color. Very different saree, exclusive design with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very different dark bluish black. It is mild blue tinge black, and we have same color blouse piece. The pallu have just the zari borders, zari lines. Complete sarees in red base, dark chilli red, very elegant color with prints in white base color. Very elegant printing all over, the closely printed design with the pallu color borders in both sides. Beautiful, simple yet elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful rust color, a pallu here with zari lines and block printed design. Same color plain blouse piece with zari borders on both sides. The saree is completely in indigo blue dark shade. Printing is done in half white, floral one, very different, closely printed small flowers design all over, simple beautiful one. And we have the borders in the rust base design. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. And it is a black pallu here with yellow base and block prints on black base again. Very different design with zari lines and same black inchit black color pallu also, and the whole saree have black base with a almost antique color zari finish. Very elegant one. And you can see the block printing here. Yellow base, red is used for block printing, and big square shaped design. And this is done using red ribbon. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We will have a beautiful red pallu with zari lines, almost a maroon shade, dark red with same plain blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece. Saree is in beautiful tri-color concept, sandal half white color saree with prints in red, and the temple border and the lower body border design printed floral one in black. You can see the zari borders on the red base again. A very elegant, classy looking saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful grey and blue pallu with zari lines and block printed design in blue on white base. And the same grey is the blouse piece here. Completely plain blouse piece. And the saree is in a beautiful half saree model, partly tied. The top portion is completely plain cream color with royal blue prints on it. And we have the lower portion, the completely a zigzag lined one, striped pattern, and it is done in blue base. All in same color, but different concept, exclusive design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark blue, almost a navy color with block prints in the pallu and zari lines. We have same color blouse piece. A very trendy, most wanted design. Again available in stock. You can see the beautiful prints all over. Diagonally it is printed in both ways. And the printing, it is done in half white color. Excellent printing design, most wanted, beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu in shade black color with white prints and zari lines, same black blouse piece. The complete saree is in black and white concept in this particular saree. Has a beautiful creamy Tassa color, half white color base saree with the big temple bottom design. The temples are done in a floral pattern in black base. Very elegant design. We also have horizontal printing designs in the bottom of the saree. Very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black and red color pallu with zari lines, and we have same dark maroon color, almost a brownish maroon blouse piece. Different color. The saree is in half white, dull finish, half white creamy color with multiple color printing. The top half is completely in that base and the lower half is having yellow mix as well. Closely printed rose design on it. The pink and black block printing design is also done. A beautiful closely printed saree with beautiful borders, excellent color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful rust color and a light greenish half white color pallu with zari lines and block printed design. And same rust, it's a dark brownish rust color, not an orange shade, it is in brown shade. And you can see the beautiful base color, half white with a green tinge. All over the flower pattern is printed, multiple colors used for the flowers and leaves. And here we have a dark green printing, olive green in the darker shades printed all over with the borders with the rust base color. Very elegant saree, different color concept with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a beautiful black pallu with block printed design on half white base, and we also have beautiful vertical zari lines. The same black color and mixed black blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is a very beautiful design. The pallu is a little bigger pallu here. It comes almost near the chest part, and we have a red, a maroonish red color saree with the Amman face design block printed. Very famous, a beautiful design, beautiful printed using half white and black here, and the black borders is very beautiful too in the saree. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. You will have a very beautiful orange color, rustic orange color pallu with zari lines, and same rustic orange color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. It's a very different and new combination. The saree is completely in half white with printing all over, done using black. You can see a tribal pattern printed in the sarees here and there in a very different triangles, squares and different geometrical patterns. Elegant one, closely printed design, and the borders are in pallu color. Beautiful saree, very different concept with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pink and royal blue color pallu, mostly pink with zari lines, and same pink color blouse piece. Very different shade of pink, a light baby pink shade, pink color it is, with beautiful and contrast printing on it. Royal blue is used for the flower printing and white is also used, and the border design is also given in white, blue and pink color. A mild thin border is also given in both side ends of the saree. Very elegant one, different one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a very beautiful yellow pallu with grey prints on it. Vertically the zari lines and prints are given with same yellow blouse piece. A beautiful collection. You can see the beautiful prints on it. Horizontally white part, grey is printed in the top as well as in the bottom. Horizontal printing design, and the plain part, the yellow is given, and we also have the yellow borders in both sides of the saree along with the zari borders. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon and black pallu with zari lines and block printed vertical prints, and we also have black blouse piece here, completely black with zari borders. The saree is in full maroon shade with big prints, leaf pattern done in half white color, and we also have a very pretty border design in black, and the zari borders on the black base itself, which gives a beautiful look to the saree. A black and red base with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a purple color pallu, very different block printing design in multi colors, and purple color blouse piece with one side red borders. It's a very different saree. The saree have multiple prints. This will start from the chest part itself, the pallu, and the saree is completely red with the Pochambali type elephant printing as well as floral one. The borders are in purple base along with the tribal pattern printed in one side. Different saree, exclusive design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and orange color pallu with zari lines vertically, thus alternatively given, and we have a brown color, almost a brownish pastel color pallu with one side maroon borders. Very different combination. The pallu, blouse piece, everything is in contrast nature, and the saree is in orange color base, and the printing is done in the lower half. Beautiful floral, kalamkari kind printing design, and next to that we have the horizontal orange and red, as well as the borders are in the brown base. Very different concept saree, colorful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. And here we have a black pallu with coffee brown and color printing, black blouse piece with one side pink borders in it, contrast one for the body. This is a saree, deep pink color, deep tooth pink almost. First half is completely plain and the lower half is completely printed in two in a row. You can see the block prints are very different here, peacock in a very elegant way, done in two colors, light brown as well as a dark coffee brown color. Borders are in black again. Very elegant creation with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. So we have a very beautiful pallu, green in a very different shade, elegant pallu, mustard and green mixed color, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The pallu have beautiful jari lines as well vertically, and the saree is also in mustard yellow with mild green shade. Very elegant one top, and the bottom we have the yellow base with mudra design, the kalamkari mudra pattern, elegantly printed with half white and red color. Very beautiful one, simple and elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a black pallu, injet black with vertical block printed design and zari lines, and same black color blouse piece. Zari border is in antique color here, very apt for the black base. Very different little 3-inch border on both sides of the saree in black base, and the complete saree is in red with very elegant closely printed cream color designs, half white almost. Border design as well as body design printed using white color. Very elegant one, simple yet beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark blue and grey mixed color, a grey blue shade you can call, with same color pallu and jari lines in the vertical portion, and we have same color blouse piece with zari borders. The complete saree is in same color, so running color concept saree with white prints all over the writing concept letters, Bengali letters and some designs, and we also have a border design printed using yellow. Simple yet very elegant and different saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu in tri-color, red, black as well as white color, block printed design as well as we have zari lines, and red blouse piece, a contrast one for the body with yellow borders. The saree is in a very contrast yellow shade. It is almost a mango yellow, mustard and mango mixed color, and plain in the middle, and top and the bottom we have the designs, that is block printed. Very elegant one, red and black used on the half white base, which is very pretty and visible, and the zari borders are on red base. Elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree. The complete saree is in red, even the pallu. A fully block printed pallu, excellent one. And here we don't have a zari border, a plain blouse piece. The complete saree don't have zari border in this particular saree. The whole saree have beautiful border design printed using half white, and the lower part of the saree alone have a temple kind design which is done in a floral pattern. Elegant one, the color is very awesome. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu with zari lines and same green blouse piece. Very different and beautiful green shade, and we have a very contrast beautiful dark magenta pink color saree here with the borders in green. Printing completely done using yellow, very different printing, Bengali writings and design. Floral is also given. Different one, colorful one too with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green, almost a bottle green shade pallu with zari lines and same pallu color blouse piece. One side light green borders. The saree is in beautiful light green shade. Very elegant light green it is, almost a turquoise shade color. And the dark green is used all over for printing floral pattern, and peach color, a peachy pink is also given in the block printing here and there. The borders are in dark shade. Very elegant, completely green with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a blue color, sky blue and a darker shade color pallu with prints in yellow and zari lines, and same color blouse piece. The complete saree is in blue shade here for the blue lovers. This is a app option. Light blue stripes in the base white color in the body. You can see a beautiful print also that is done in yellow mango pattern, and the borders are completely in the dark sky blue, almost a royal blue color. So elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple saree with purple pallu. Zari lines and the block print design is vertically done in the pallu with same plain blouse piece. Running color concept, no contrast concept here. Only the buttas and the block prints are in half white color, that is the contrast one. Droplet design in the whole body, closely printed, small design, and very elegant rangoli pattern in both side borders. Very different, two different block prints are used here with the zari border. An elegant dark color, very rare color saree here with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a complete black saree with black pallu, dark milk black color blouse piece. Very beautiful zari lines in the pallu. The complete saree is in black, little lighter shade, elephant black body, and the buttas, that is the block prints, are done on little darker shade. Squares you can see the darker black, and on it the white is used for printing. Very elegant design, and we also have the border designs in both sides, floral and mango design in bottom. Elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari border, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a yellow saree, yellow pallu with prints in grey, and we also have zari lines vertically. And the same pallu color is given for the blouse piece. Saree is in yellow concept, yellow and grey, half and half in the border. Both borders we have the grey prints vertically. The middle portion is completely plain in turmeric yellow color. The borders are also on yellow base. A very different and beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very elegant, very trendy, a most wanted design on yellow base, turmeric yellow color, very subtle and beautiful with block print design and zari lines. Same yellow blouse piece. Beautiful block printed design, floral pattern in the pallu, and we have mango pattern in both sides of the borders in the body. We also have a border design. Completely the block printing is done using white, which gives a beautiful look to the saree. An elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very different color, rust and peach mix, different shade orange it is, with same color blouse piece. The pallu also have zari lines and block printed design, different 3D type block printing. The whole saree is in same color, light peachy orange color, and you can see the vertical prints, 3D type design as well as a different design printed vertically. Complete saree is in single color, no contrast concept, with zari borders in both sides with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue color pallu with very beautiful printing design, and we also have zari lines. And here same royal blue contrast blouse piece is given with one side magenta color border. The complete saree is in magenta pink, excellent color with fully floral printed design all over with half white, and here and there a blue print is also given. This is a peacock design, and we also have the royal blue in the borders. Excellent one, very beautifully done, exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with Jari lines and jari border. Same in jet black color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body have very beautiful design. Half white base with brush painted design in the saree. You can see a R design, very elegantly brush painted using yellow, blue and black. And we also have a beautiful printing design in the black also. The lower part is completely printed using a floral design very elegantly closely with red part. Beautiful one with authentic self mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful purple color, purple pink mixed color with zari lines in the pallu and same purple blouse piece. And say we have the pink borders. A very colorful saree. The saree is in a royal blue in between, darker shade royal blue this, and we have a stripes pattern in half white on the pink base in both side borders. We also have the Pochambali kind peacock design printed in the lower border model. Very elegant one, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful shades of brown, two shades you can see, choco brown as well as a light brown color with very elegant block printed design and jari lines, and the coffee brown, brick red we can call, the same color blouse piece. The saree is in white portion, middle, top and bottom we have the two shade brown base with the fish type design, a fish motif printed, very different printing design. You can see Ganga Jamuna pattern. Top is choco brown and the lower part is a brick red. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. So we have a beautiful dark red color pallu with jari lines, beautiful gold jari lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The saree is in very beautiful half white base with mild pink tinge, and the saree completely having beautiful prints all over using the red. Multiple prints are used here. The grey prints are also greyish green color prints in the top, and completely border pattern design in the bottom. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green, radiant olive green shade color pallu with zari lines, and we have a very different batik printed blouse piece. Dark olive is used for printing. The whole saree, even the borders have a batik printed design in it using the olive green, white base and olive green printed all over, and very dark rose design is printed using royal blue. Very different concept, both batik printed as well as a block printed design. Different one with authentic silk.